J News update. The berylllium security guard implicated in the theft of more than $15 million from an armored vehicle is expected to face more questions from investigators today. The 32-year-old driver reportedly gave a caution statement to the police following his arrest yesterday off Hope Road in St. Andrew. Now, he is from Linstead St. Catherine and was listed as the prime suspect in the October 11 incident. Investigators have not divulged whether the stolen cash was recovered. In a statement today, the security company extended appreciation to the police for the swift action which led to the apprehension of the suspect. Group Managing Director of the Guardsman Group of Company, David Whitaker, says the organization will continue to review and reinforce its internal controls and security protocols to maintain the highest level of safety and operational integrity across the island.
Wagwan, wagwan, wagwan. Boy, some of them security are not easy, As you hear, the security guard for the security company called berylllium, the man take off with 15 mil and get caught in less than a week. Bridget, you not even have a exit plan, and you have to say allegedly he's a suspect because he's not convicted yet. Should I say a good exit plan? Because probably have an exit plan, but it's not a good one. But you can just imagine how much time them are going to give him to hold on under 15 million there just for a week. Eh? If convicted. One thing me know, no care how out a road rough. Me know say in a prison or in a jail, 10 times worse. We not even like they in a house with one man, with one stranger, much less they in a cell with 6 man, six strangers. No, sir, no sign me up for that. Within your means or below your means. Cause you want. Some of the time, you think about the reward and you not think about the risk. Some of the time, greater the reward, bigger the risk. Sometimes a man does a think about the pros. A man does a think about, boy, if me get a 15 million there, me I go do this and me I go do that. And I make all kind of plan. Or, you know, you think about the con. You know, think about if you get caught. Or no, say you can't even get bullet too. What me have to say, boy, if you see people things, try and left here, man. Because if you don't want to go underground and you don't want to go behind bars, just stay out the road and fight it here, man. Guess what? 1-1 crocodile, full basket. So say that to say this. If it's not him, I hope them free him. And if I him and him serving time and him come out, I hope him can be a better man. Yeah, man. Some of the time, some man go behind bars, and then come out back, and learn from the mistake, and be a productive member of society. So you can't dash with them sometime, man. What they say? We're not dead, not dash away. Give me your thoughts, your views, and your perspective. And as usual, thanks for watching. Be safe out there. Give me a small like, a small subscribe. I'm out. And remember, don't make your hand get caught in the cookie jar. Don't make your hand get caught in a berylllium cookie jar. Boy, me gone.